Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So let me share with you how I made this yummy delicious cake with just few ingredients. No flour is added, and with a blender you can make this. So let's get started. And here we have our few ingredients for this yummy cake. I have some ripe bananas. We're using oats and the eggs. So into the blender, I will go ahead and put in the banana. I'm using 4 ripe banana. Then add the eggs. I'll be adding 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use melted butter or just butter for this. Vanilla essence, you can use 1 teaspoon of it. I used the cap of the vanilla bottle. Then I'll cover the blender and blend this for about 2 minutes. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze. I'll be using this brown sugar as my sweetener. I added 5 cubes, which is about 1/4 cup. Chopping sounds in harmony. I'll leave all the measurements of the ingredients I used in my description box below. After blending this for about 2 minutes, it is time to add our rolled oat or oatmeal. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Then I'll add 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking. Then we blend again until everything becomes smooth. Most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. I'll grease my cake pan with a little bit of oil. Then transfer the cake batter into it and we bake. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace and. Before transferring it into the oven to bake, I have some leftover nuts in the house here. That is a cashew nut and a coconut. So I'll sprinkle it, mix it into the batter, and then we go ahead and bake this. Free sound where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. And after about 40 minutes in the oven, we have our yummy and delicious banana oat cake. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you're going to give this a try, especially if you're trying to avoid much carbs. Then this is your go-to cake. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.